Hi, to use built-in compass on your Honor Magic 7 Lite. As a first step, you need to find the folder which is named Tools and just tap it to open. And from here, you'll find Compass app. So as a first step, just open it and now place the phone horizontally and calibrate compass by rotating it like this. Now examine the screen. This will display the orientation of the phone and the latitude and longitude of your current location. So now we can also swipe left, and here we can actually check the crease. So you need to place it like that horizontally, and you can go back and here check north, east, southwest, and just degrees. So to see this data live, just move the phone to a vertical position like that, and here choose enable while using the app and calibrate compass again. And now place it vertically like this. So now you can see this data live. You can press the round compass dial to lock the current orientation just like this. And make sure the screen mirrors the data accurately by correcting the angle of your phone. If the compass is not working correctly, check for updates to your phone. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.